A significant weather advisory just issued. It's about to relay. I really wanted an EAS so I can capture it for you guys. This is going to be repeating.
The wind was north at 17 miles an hour. The pressure 29.71 inches and falling. Here is the San Angelo area forecast. Tonight, thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-40s. East winds around 10 miles an hour shifting to the north after midnight. Tuesday, cloudy with a chance of rain showers. Windy. Significant weather advisory for northwestern Sutton, southwestern Schleicher, and east central Crockett counties until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Arizona, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Dime-size hail and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. This strong thunderstorm will be near Sonora around 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this storm include Interstate 10 near the Crockett-Sutton County line and the intersection of Interstate 10 and Ranch Road 1989.
What's this?
Here is the San Angelo area forecast.
Oh, a severe thunderstorm watch. Wow.
Lows in the mid-40s. East winds around 10 miles an hour shifting to the north after midnight. Tuesday, cloudy with a chance of rain showers. Windy, cooler. Highs around 50.
Another one.
North winds 20 to 30 miles an hour. Chance of showers.
2 significant weather advisories.
Partly cloudy. Windy, colder.
And I just hope that... I just didn't know why we didn't get the tornado watch here in WXK33. Severe thunderstorm warning expires in 2 minutes. Okay.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near low 82 near Yola to 9 miles south of Vancourt, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees.
Hold on.
These severe thunderstorms will remain over mainly the rural areas of southeastern Tom Green and western Concho counties, including the...
Does this station relay the EAS? Sorry guys, I'm just checking.
Then a chance of showers and isolated... Related thunderstorms in the morning. A chance... Another outlook for Tuesday through Sunday.
Sorry guys, I don't know what these cities are, except I know what Fort Worth is, obviously, in Dallas.
From noon Tuesday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. Precipitation falling 0. Dew point -1 degree. East wind at 7 miles.
Let's get back, listen to the significant weather.
Tom Green and western Concho counties. At 9:45 p.m. Central
Here we go.
Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending...
There's the watch. None of the stations on none of the Texas stations on Weather Underground are relaying this watch here, sadly. So thanks for 36 subscribers anyway. Hold on, here's the significant weather for you guys.
Significant weather advisory for southwestern Coleman, Concho, and northwestern McCulloch counties until 10:45.
Okay, nice. Thanks guys for watching.